welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang trx888.cc. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up or register dito? Ilagay lang ang ating invitation code, email, telegram, password, confirm password, and then yung withdrawal password. So once na ma-fill up nyo siya guys, click nyo lang itong submit. So yun nga guys, no? Once na nakapag-sign up at login na tayo sa ating site, may system notification sa atin si trx888.cc. So, Professional Mining Integrity Company, the only official website, trx888.cc, company law white paper, trx888.cc/trx888.pdf, then Telegram customer service, t.me/creta888. So, refer friends to get rich rewards self level 1 to level 2 to level 3. So when your level 1 deposits, you will get a 13% commission. Deposit 100 TRX to get 13 TRX. When your level 2 deposits, you will get a 5% commission. Deposit 100 TRX and get 5 TRX. So when your level 3 deposits, you will get a 2% commission. Deposit 100 TRX to get 2 TRX. So bonuses can be withdrawn immediately. Basic account deposit 5 to 29,999 TRX to 5%. So deposit of 30,000 to 199 and 999 TRX, so 6%. So and then deposit of 200,000 to 999 and 999 TRX, deposit 7%. Deposit of 1 million to 1,999 and 999 TRX, 8%. Deposit above 2 million TRX, get 10%. Accumulate recharge every day to increase basic income. The higher the investment amount, the higher the income. The faster the return and the higher the daily withdrawal limit. So nga guys, no, meron tayo ditong total balance sa atin si TRX TEK 8,000 TRX. So magtungo muna tayo sa ating trade. So yun guys, no, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trade, we have here the trading income, and then cloud mining and working positive 5% BIP1. So yung quantifying transaction revenue natin is 0 TRX. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating product list. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating product list, we have here the TRX release cycle 90 days, daily interest rate 5%, purchase limit is 2 million. So magtungo tayo sa ating share. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating share, we have here the QR code and then yung ating invitation code, and then dito yung ating referral link. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn ng ating rewards dito sa ating site? I-copy lang natin itong ating referral link and then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger. At syempre sa ating mga friends at contacts. So para makapag-earn tayo ng ating rewards. So magtungo tayo sa ating mine. So yung guys, so once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, we have here the BIP1 and then yung invitation code na 834739 and then yung ating total balance na 8,000 TRX. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-recharge? And then yung paano nga rin tayo makapag-withdraw. So magtungo muna tayo sa deposit any amount of TRX to activate your account and enable withdrawal. So magtungo muna tayo sa ating recharge. Paano nga ba tayo makapag-recharge dito sa ating site? So we have here the recharge, transfer to basic, and then transfer to promotion. So investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge to the basic account every day after 24 in the US time zone to receive benefits. So second one is the recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. So view notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical. Issue magtungo tayo sa ating transfer to basic. And then guys, nandito yung ating, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating transfer to basic, we have here the wallet address. And then, ikakopy lang natin itong ating wallet address at ipipaste lang natin siya sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit sa ating site. So kailangan muna natin mag-withdraw dun sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So ikakopy lang natin siya guys at doon natin siya ipipaste. So copy lang natin to, i-click lang natin to ating copy. So guys, once na nakopy na natin, magtungo tayo sa ating Binance account. Once na nagtungo tayo sa ating Binance account, magtungo tayo sa ating wallet. Then click natin itong withdraw. Then TRX, send via crypto network. So yun nga guys, meron ditong send TRX. So ilolong press lang natin yung kinapin natin na link galing sa ating site. So ipipaste lang natin siya guys dito, and then yung desired amount ng ating withdraw na i-deposit natin sa ating site. So yun nga guys, na once na paste natin siya at nalagay natin yung ating desired amount na ating withdraw dito sa ating Binance account, click lang natin itong ating withdrawal. And then confirm. So yun guys, na naging 90 RX lang siya kasi may fee yung ating Binance account. So click natin itong confirm. So yung may risk warning dito guys, no? After withdrawal is complete, the asset will be transferred to the recipient address. Please make sure you have entered the correct address. Please make sure that you fully understand how the assets are used and the possible risks involved. Beware of pyramid schemes, illegal fundraising, and scams. So meron dito, I fully understand the potential risks associated with the asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my assets. So click lang natin siya guys. Then click confirm. And then ito nga guys, na meron mag-send sa atin ng verification code sa ating cellphone number at Gmail. So click natin itong ating send code para ma-receive natin yung mga code na sa ating mag-send. So click na natin ito siya guys. So yun nga guys, no? Once na na-paste na natin at na-copy na natin yung mga ating code, click na natin itong ating submit. So yun nga guys, no, request submitted na ngayong ating withdraw dito sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit sa ating site. So magtungo tayo sa ating site para i-double check kung talagang pumasok yung ating dineposit doon na bali 90 RX lang siya guys. Magtungo tayo sa ating site. So yun nga guys, so once nakarating tayo sa ating site, so nandito tayo sa ating share. So once na nakapag-withdraw na tayo sa ating Binance account, click lang natin itong ating recharge successfully. So click lang natin siya guys, and then guys, no, i-loading nyo lang, i-refresh nyo lang yung ating site para pumasok talaga dito yung ating dineposit dito sa ating site. So yun nga guys, na pumasok na nga yung ating dineposit o ni-recharge dito sa ating site. So ang total balance na natin guys is 8,090 RX. So paano naman ba makapag-deposit ay makapag-withdraw dito sa ating site? Click lang natin itong ating withdraw. So yun guys, once na naklik natin yung withdraw, we have here the basic account TRX. So we have here the balance total is 8,090 TRX. So may nakalagay dito na cumulative recharge is 9 TRX. So daily withdrawal limit is 0.252 TRX, 2.8%. Withdrawal available today, 0.252 TRX. So ilalagay nyo lang yung account type na basic account, and then yung withdrawal account, yung inyong sa withdrawal account guys, ilalagay nyo lang inyong wallet address sa Binance account, and then yung ilalagay nyo lang yung withdrawal amount and then yung withdrawal password. So once na na-input nyo na yun guys, click nyo lang itong submit. So yun guys, now nabawas na yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So ang total balance lang natin ngayon is 8,008.75 TRX. So magtungo tayo sa ating Binance para i-check kung talagang pumasok yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So nandito tayo sa ating Binance account, pumunta tayo sa ating wallet para tignan kung talagang na-deposit dito yung ating withdraw sa ating site na 0.25. So click natin itong wallet. And then, click natin itong pinaka-last na history na pumasok sa ating Binance account. So yun nga guys, no, talagang pumasok nga yung ating withdraw sa ating site na 0.25 TRX. So napaka-legit talaga ng ating site, no guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo, mag-register na kayo at huwag kalimutan i-click ang notification bell button at subscribe button para mas updated pa kayo sa mga i-release ko pang mga video.